What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel for yet another video. Tonight it is nighttime again. This is the second video. Guess I'm gonna be nocturnal, like an owl or something. Hopefully that's accurate. We're gonna be talking about guys versus girls. Should they train differently? This is one that I know is like on the top of, like, especially girls, right? When you tell a girl the answers I'm about to say, they hate it, they don't want to hear it, and we're gonna go over it. We're just gonna go over guys and girls. Should they train different? Should they train the same? All of that. All of that's gonna be covered in this video right now. So to jump right into it, first of all, let's just back up, right? A girl wants to work out. What does she want to do? She wants to burn fat because she's like, I got these love handles, and you know, like I'm a chubby chaser, like, you know, all this bad stuff that girls think. And when a guy wants to start working out, what does he think? Oh, I want to get huge. I want to be like Arnold. I'm gonna actually be bigger than Arnold because Arnold was a little. So right there from the start, girls go toward cardio, right? Because they want to burn fat, and that's what they think. They think cardio. And guys go toward the weights because they think get huge, right? Now, unfortunately, I have to say that the girls are wrong in doing this. Let me explain to you two important reasons why. The first one is cardio should be like a supplement to your workout, not the actual workout. The second reason is because of this. When you have more lean muscle mass on your body, it actually burns more fat. So it's like a twofold, right? When you build muscle, okay, by building that muscle, you're burning fat in the process of strength training to build muscle. And then that muscle also works for you again a second time because the more lean muscle mass you have, girl or guy, burns more fat, right? So you can burn more fat with more muscle while you're just resting, okay? And that's very, very important. So doing cardio is just burning fat, but not really. I don't want to go into the details of that. And doing strength training is going to burn fat and build muscle at the same time. Now I know what you're thinking because you're like, Mike, you're telling me to put on weight, you're telling me to get huge, I don't want to be a bodybuilder here, I just want to lose some fat. And I got it. I heard it, I got it. But let me give you some really good facts, okay, about why this isn't going to happen. Okay, number one, you don't have the testosterone that the males produce, right? You don't have as much testosterone as me or your guy friends or your husband or whatever, right? So for you to gain weight is gonna be super, super hard. I mean, I'm sure you all know, or you have a friend or somebody, a guy that's been trying to gain weight for years, right? And he probably has been unsuccessful, or maybe he's been a little bit successful, but you've seen him struggle and you've seen how hard it is. Now imagine you don't have the testosterone that he has. It's gonna be even harder for you. Which leads into another point, which is girls build muscle at about half the rate that a male does. So if your guy friend is killing it in the gym and he builds 20 pounds of lean muscle mass in a year, which would be absolutely insane, but let's just say he does it for all intents and purposes, you, if you killed it just like he did throughout the gym that entire year, would maybe get 10 pounds out of it. And that's not as much as you think. If you put it in your legs and your glutes, I promise you would probably enjoy the weight gain. Am I right? So to think that when someone tells you, hey, you need to do strength training and you need to build muscle to burn fat, and girls immediately go to, I'm gonna be this big, muscular looking, hulkish girl in the gym, it's just not true. You can get more done in less time doing strength training. And I've talked about this in a bunch of my other videos, you know, especially when it comes to the resting metabolic rate and all that good stuff, like how the muscle actually does burn more fat while you're just chilling at home. And strength training tends to burn more fat. I mean, it can definitely if you're training intense and hard than cardio. And also, I mean, cardio is boring. Do I think that, you know, guys and girls could supplement the cardio? Absolutely. I mean, if you want to do 20 minutes at the end of the workout, awesome, do that. But don't make cardio your workout for fat loss because it's going to not be a good thing. And I've also talked about it in another one of my videos where like the cardio kind of loop plays in If you're curious about it, go ahead and check my other videos out. I go into full depth of what that really means. It's like a death spiral that you don't want to be a part of. Now, this isn't to say that I'm denying that guys and girls are different, like when it comes to hormones and when it comes to diet. Like, am I on the same diet as a girl that's on, like, I'm on like a lifting team, right? Am I on the same diet as a girl that's on the lifting team? Like, absolutely not. Am I blind to that? Absolutely not. Like, I'm not saying guys and girls are equal, but I am saying that guys and girls should train the exact same way. You know what I mean? Because just like I said, we have the same goals, your muscles are the same, right? Now girls will build slower, they'll burn fat a little slower. That's not really true, but they'll hold more fat. Like, they tend to hold more fat than guys. Like, if you compare your body fat to your guy friends, guys have less body fat normally, girls have more body fat, and that's just how it is. So don't let that just tear you apart. But what I'm saying is, fundamentally, lifting and training should be the same. Now, when you bring it out of the gym, okay, like the amount of cardio maybe, or if you're interested in doing a show, when you get closer to the show, are you gonna be doing the same thing? You're not. You're not gonna do the same thing as a guy. It's just because your body is different, right? But when you're talking about building muscle, it's pretty much the exact same for everybody. Diet is different, but in the gym, the same. And I can give you an example, a real world example. First of all, I don't know any trainers that would promote girl clients doing different workouts than guy clients, right? Like high reps, because that's what girls are told too. They're told, do high reps and low weight and blah, blah, blah. Like, no. If you want to build your legs and your glutes, which most girls, that's like their target area, feel free to work them more than like guys, for sure. But I'm just saying the heavy weights is what's gonna really pack on, you know, and build your legs and your butt. I mean, if that's what you want. The low reps, little, you know, hipster bunny stuff is not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it, I promise. A real world example, like I said I was gonna mention, is, you know, I was in a different, like, kind of like a lifting group. We all competed, right? And we all had the same coach. And there was 3 guys and 3 girls all getting ready for a show. And we all trained together, right? Every night we trained together. Not like literally together, but like we all had the same workout, and the 3 guys would be here doing that machine or workout or exercise, and the 3 girls would be right here doing that, and then we would like switch, right? And everybody was in pain and suffering, and we all hated it, but guess what? We all grew like just outstanding. I mean, we all looked great, right? The guys and the girls, and guess what? We all did the same thing. So long story short, guys and girls should train the same. They should train the same. If anyone tells you anything otherwise, tell them to kick rocks, because Mike says they should train the same, and that's that. That's gonna be it for me tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you made it this far, or if you have a question for me. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this. I'm putting out new videos every single day. If you have a request, something you want to see, something you want to talk about, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. And if you're watching on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I have an IGTV series of all of these episodes compiled there, and I also have a playlist on YouTube. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.